Saya Tifal Solesa melanjutkan Sapa Indonesia Malam, Saudara. Kita akan bicara soal upaya timnas kita memperebutkan poin melawan Jepang 10 Juni nanti. Pelatih Patrick Kluivert optimistis timnas kita meraih poin melawan Jepang besok. Kluivert mengisyaratkan akan melakukan perubahan pemain dari starting line up melawan Tiongkok. Kluivert tidak mengungkap siapa saja pemain yang akan diganti dari susunan saat melawan Tiongkok. Namun ia memastikan sudah menganalisis laga Jepang kontra Australia untuk menentukan pemain pilihannya.
We'll see. I think the possibilities there that I'm going to have some changes, but we will see tomorrow's game. I can't say how many players they will be changing, or even if I'm going to change. But it's a good question. Of course, we looked at the game of Japan against Australia, of course, and you know, for me, in the team of Japan, they have a lot of qualities, very skillful players. So yeah, sometimes you need to adapt some players or not.